Good morning, first graders. We are on theme 6, week 1, day 3 of your KAM blueprints. The story for the week is The Sleeping Pig. The theme concept: real and imaginary animals have all kinds of adventures. Strategy to summarize. Skill, story structure. Okay, yesterday I said the sounds and you blended them together. Today I'm going to say the word and you will tell me the sounds in each word. I will do the first one with you. So the first one is show. So you get your stretchers out and you would say sh, oh, show. Okay, next one without me is joy. So you'd go j, oi, joy. Okay, here we go. Made. Stretch out the word made. And word. Next word, wait. And word. And last one, batch. And word. Good, okay. Let's move on to letter names. Letter. 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 Okay, irregular words. My turn word, give. 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 Your turn word. Spell give. And word. Good. Let's go ahead when it's your turn and clap it out with each letter. So my turn word, good. G-O-O-D. Good. Okay, your turn word and clap it out. And word. Good. My turn word, her. H-E-R. Her. Your turn word. Spell her. And word. Let's do squeaky mouse voice again. My turn word, little. L-I-T-T-L-E. Little. Your turn word. Spell little. And word. My turn word, try. T-R-Y. Try. Your turn word. Spell try. And word. My turn word was. W-A-S. Was. Your turn word. Spell was. And word. My turn word, fly. F-L-Y. Fly. Your turn word. Spell fly. And word. My turn word, hour. O-U-R. Hour. Your turn word. Spell hour. And word. My turn word, watermelon. W-A-T-E-R-M-E-L-O-N. Watermelon. Your turn word. Spell watermelon. And word. Good job. Let's move on to letter sounds. Remember our sound focus for the week, long O and long U words. Here we go. So sound, 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 sound. Okay. Day 3. Sound. That's right. You, mew, sound, bull, blend, mule, word, mule. Okay, you're going to blend the next one without me. So sound, sound, blend, sound, blend, sound, blend, word, sound, sound, blend, sound, blend, word, sound, 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 blend, sound, blend, word. Sound, sound, blend, sound. So since there's that dot there, this tells us this word has 2 syllables in it, and that means that E is going to make that long E sound. Okay? Blend, sound, blend, sound, blend. So first syllable B, second syllable gan. Word began. Awesome possum.